Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Place 3 medium potatoes and 1 carrot in a pot. Pour in enough water to cover. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover with a lid. Let it cook over medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Take 1 chicken breast. Friends, it warms my heart to see where you're from. Share your country and city. And if you're in the US, let me know your state. Cut it into small cubes. Place it in a bowl. Crack in 2 eggs. Finally chop 1 small bunch of green onions. If you have any questions about the recipes, leave them in the comments, and I'll respond as soon as I notice them. Add them to the bowl. Finely chop 1 small bunch of parsley. Add it in. Grate 3 cloves of garlic on a mini grater. Add them to the bowl. Grate 7 ounces or 200 grams of cheddar cheese. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a like. Your support is always welcome. Add it to the bowl. Friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more recipes like this one. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour some olive oil into a frying pan. Melt 1/2 stick or 60 grams of butter over medium heat. Spoon the mixture into the pan, forming small patties. Fry the patties for a few minutes on each side until golden. Now, check the potatoes and the carrot for doneness by piercing them with a knife. If they are tender, remove the pot from the heat. Place a small saucepan on the stove. Add 4 eggs. Pour in water to cover. Boil for 7 to 8 minutes until the yolks are cooked but still bright yellow. When the potatoes are cool enough to handle, dice them into small cubes. Place them in a large bowl. Dice the carrot the same way. Add to the bowl. Finely chop 1 red onion. Add to the bowl. Grate 2 cloves of garlic. Stir in. Dice 4 to 6 medium pickles into small cubes. Add them to the bowl. Cut 1 apple in half. Then dice into small pieces. Add the apple to the salad. Remove eggs from heat. When cool, peel them. Separate the yolks from the whites. Dice the egg whites. Add them to the bowl. Finely chop a small bunch of parsley. Add to the bowl. Place the yolks in a small bowl. Mash with a fork. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. One tablespoon of sour cream. 1 teaspoon of mustard. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix thoroughly. Now pour the dressing over the salad. Stir gently. Place the golden patties on a plate. Add a serving of salad. That's it. Crispy chicken patties with a tender, cheesy center, paired with a refreshing creamy vegetable and egg salad. Every bite is full of flavor and comfort, just like meals we remember from childhood. I hope this dish fills your kitchen with warmth and brings the same joy and coziness to your family as it does to mine. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking.